Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to show slope of trend line in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Apply first step on select your data. Go to Insert tab, Sort and Sort type. Already selected to this scatter. Find. Okay, then customize series, change color, trend line, liner, exponential, power series. Example, select liners and see this level, use equations, and now we can see this slope of trend line. And step 2, click any cells, variance, okay, excellence, press enter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.